everybody. You're at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel, and it's another Christmas edition, and I am Bill the Drunken Sailor. Today, I want to introduce, well, you've seen him before, he stopped by last year, one of our favorite elves, Jingle McSprinkle. So everybody, let's give Jingle a great big warm welcome. Jingle was telling me one of his big accomplishments this year. He's on the negotiating committee for Elves 101 Union up in the North Pole, and they have negotiated successfully gingerbread cookies for all the elves, unlimited, all they want. So, Jingle, hats off to you. Well, since Jingle does like gingerbread so much, we've got a great cocktail for him today. And that, my friends, is called the Gingerbread Old-Fashioned. Sprinkle, let's get pouring. So what Jingle was telling me, the tough part about this time of year is that an elf doesn't have a whole lot of spare time, so we need something that is quick and easy to make. Well, this cocktail uses 3 simple ingredients. We've got some orange bitters, we've got a special syrup, it's a gingerbread syrup, and of course we've got bourbon. We're going to start off by putting some orange bitters in there. Now this is the Drunken Sailor version of orange bitters. We've got it, it's great. I like it better than store-bought. We're going to put 3 dashes in there. We're going to follow that up with some gingerbread syrup. Now it's not a simple syrup, it's got several ingredients in it, and if you go to the description, you'll see that listed in there and it'll tell you how to make it. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. We're going to put 1/2 ounce of that syrup in here. It's got cinnamon, it's got nutmeg, it's got cloves, it's got everything seasonal in there. 1/2 ounce. We're going to follow that up with 2 ounces of bourbon, and today I'm using toasted St. Augustine bourbon. This is from a distillery in St. Augustine. I just got this bottle as a housewarming present from my brother-in-law Ross. Thank you very much. We're going to use 2 ounces. It's nice, smooth, delicious bourbon, and that goes in there. Now, we're going to use 1 large ice cube in there, and we're going to give it a stir. You know, Sprinkle, I just noticed that you're kind of messy with the gingerbread crumbs. Well, we've got that all stirred up. We're going to garnish this, but just to start with, we're going to take, like the traditional old-fashioned, we're going to take a little bit of an orange peel. We're going to peel that off. Take that, twist it over the glass. We're going to express some of those oils in there, give it a little bit of more orange flavor. We can drop that in there. And now I want to garnish it with 2 last pieces. The first one, can't be Christmas without a star, so we're using a star of anise. We're going to drop that on the top. And of course a cinnamon stick. And there is Sprinkle's new favorite cocktail, the Gingerbread Old-Fashioned. Let's give this a taste. Ooh. Sprinkle, you picked good. We've got that nice, easygoing toasted bourbon in there. We've got all the flavors of gingerbread, molasses, cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, they're all in there. A little bit of that citrus in there. This is going to be a great sipper for Christmas. Everyone, let's give Sprinkle a thanks for making this one. Cheers, everybody.